Hi there, students. Weasel words. Okay, weasel words are words that somebody uses to either avoid answering a question clearly or to make someone believe something that's not true. Daddy, Daddy, look at my picture. Wow, that's a really interesting picture. So interesting. I think I ought to show it to the psychotherapist and ask if you're a, uh, a psychotic or not. Okay, weasel words. It's interesting, very interesting. Politicians love using weasel words. Okay, it's a way to give a false impression. And there are all sorts of weasel words. You avoid answering the question by using weasel words. So, are you coming to the party? Well, I may come to the party. I'm avoiding actually saying yes or no. Okay, I possibly may come. Will you help me? Yes, I'll help you as much as possible. Okay, these are qualifiers, I love this phrase, that create enough wiggle room for a rhino. Okay, so weasel words, when somebody challenges you, you say, but I didn't say I was definitely coming. I said I only might come. All these advertisements, opportunities to earn up to £1 million a year. Up to, that's the maximum. But nobody actually earns that. It's possible, but it's just not going to happen. Okay, so I believe this is true. I'm not saying I know it's true. I believe it's true. Okay, so it's avoiding committing yourself. The British are really good at this, and they avoid committing themselves completely. So a weasel word is a modifier. It either undermines or contradicts what it's saying. It's used to avoid a question. It's, as the Americans say, pussyfooting around. Okay, so it's something that's not, that you can't trust what they say. And as I said, politicians love their weasel words. So let's see. Okay, a weasel is it's a long, thin animal with short legs, and it's quite aggressive. It's an aggressive predator, and it's got short legs, and it will kill chickens and rabbits and things like that. Okay, so these weasel words, it's something that's ambiguous. So it's somewhat better. Is it better or not? Somewhat, the tiniest bit. In most respects, this is okay. But in the important respects, it's not okay. It's avoiding things, or phrases like some people say, or people say. Who? There's no direct quote. Some people say that I am the most handsome person on earth. Well, maybe one. Yeah, some people. This is the idea of it. So some experts say this is brilliant. What experts? Which experts? Evidence suggests. No, quote the evidence, quote the scientific document. It is said that this is the best there is. Come on, who says it? No. I will probably come. This is often true. This may be so. Okay, so these are all ways of avoiding the point. Okay, so you're just saying things that are irrelevant. Okay, for example as well, an endorsement of a product by a celebrity. So the Queen says this is a brilliant product. That doesn't mean it's good. It just means the Queen says it's good. It doesn't actually mean it's true. This is an irrelevant statement. Or false authority. They claim to have found. He claims to be innocent. It has been decided that, but who decided it? Experts say that these give you lots of scope for weaseling out of things. We're not saying things are directly like that. It stands to reason that most people will enjoy this new regime. Well, this one is a false authority. Because if you disagree, then maybe you're unreasonable. Yeah? It stands to reason. Well, if you don't agree, then you're not reasonable. Okay, so there are many, many different ways of doing it. Euphemisms. The company is downsizing. It's sacking people. People are losing their jobs. Okay, yeah. Or another one I like as well is restricting information. 9 out of 10 people prefer this product. Or even 9 out of 10 people who expressed a preference chose this product. But wait a second, how many people did they ask? So they asked 100 people, and 9 out of the 10 who gave the answer said this one. And one said not that one, and the other 90 said, I don't have an opinion. I really couldn't care about the difference between the two. So it's restricting information. As you see, weasel words there are many, many different ways to say it. So many people say I Swear English's channel is the best. Evidence suggests that it is the fastest way of learning on internet. You will learn more English if you watch I Swear English's videos. Some people say that it is the most helpful thing possible. I Swear English is endorsed by famous stars such as Vitali and Isa and Oksana and Patricia. Okay, so weasel words, these are words that don't actually say anything. They don't give you information. They just push a point of view. It's like when you've got an axe to grind, and this is the idea of weasel words. So weasel words, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, but I think you could probably use this phrase anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, a weasel has a reputation for being a very tricky animal. It's supposed to make holes in eggs and suck out the content. But a weasel, it's a very clever, tricky, dishonest animal. Well, that's the idea. That's where the origin comes from. And therefore, to weasel out as a phrasal verb. Yeah? Okay, to escape from something. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Many people say that this channel is great. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Weasel words.